Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Tuesday the 25th of February 2020. And yesterday we published a video entitled Stock Markets Fall, Gold and Silver Rise, Is the Grey Swan Turning Black? Where we warn listeners to expect further falls in the equity market. And this is exactly what has happened today. Now we will have quite a bit to say tomorrow. So today's video, which is being published at 20:30 100 hours GMT, which is late for us, will be quite brief. Wall Street has fallen again today, and the Dow is down another 709 points at 27,251, a fall of 2.5%, with similar percentages for the S&P 500 and a 2% fall for the Nasdaq. European markets are down between 2 and 2.5%. And the Nikkei 225 was down 3.4%, some 781 points, with other Asian markets also down, with the exception of Hong Kong. Brent and WTI crude are also down between 2.5% and 3%, and the dollar index is also down just slightly, currently a minuscule off 99. So it's standing at 98.9930 for those who are interested in the technicals. Interestingly, gold has also fallen today. Some profit taking has been undertaken and stands at $1,647, down $10. And silver is also down 38 cents at $18.18. Now, what makes us really angry is that the pumpers are not only just out in force, but are telling everyone to buy silver as it's going to $50 very soon, and then possibly even $100. Please, if you take nothing else from this video, they're deceiving you. Silver is now back to the point where the gold to silver ratio is 90 to 1 again. To be precise, 90.5 to 1. We have said to subscribers, look, the upside for gold and silver is greater than the downside. But please, do not forget that gold, despite its highs, is likely short-term to outperform silver. Because if there is a recession, silver demand as an industrial metal will drag its price back. So even if both gold and silver are rising, the potential fall in industrial demand is going to hold silver proportionately back. So by all means, take advantage of falling prices or pullbacks. We're not saying don't do that. But do not be taken in by these charlatans who are painting this magnificent picture of $50, $100, $200, $500 silver. They currently have excess silver to sell because industrial demand is falling. And when the Silver Institute and other reports are issued, you will see that that is what has been happening. Now, yes, eventually, silver will catch up, but usually once gold has risen first. So please, just beware of the dynamics here. We're not suggesting don't buy it, but don't be taken in. These guys know what they're doing, they know what they're saying, and they also know what the truth is. Now, Greg and I will be producing a podcast tomorrow morning on an update of the current virus situation. And we'll publish this around midday GMT on the Richard and Greg channel. Also, I'm hoping to get an update out on what has been happening to Trump in India and some of the other events affecting his administration. We also will have an interesting, or at least we hope you'll find it interesting, video podcast here on Illuminati Silver. But we won't say any more for now, as I'm in the middle of assembling this. Gold and silver have fallen back a little, and are resting within our brackets as indicated on Saturday's weekly update. The situation is not over and has some way to go before we all know the extent of any economic damage that has been done throughout the world. Equity markets falling is actually healthy right now, but we shall have to wait and see how much further they have to fall. It's not Armageddon, but we have to be diligent. The technicals for gold is still positive. So those following technical analysis will see this, but it's not so strong for silver as yet. However, we're still of the opinion over the next 3 months we shall see higher prices than they are currently standing at today. So if you get an opportunity, please tune in to Richard and Greg tomorrow. But as I say, it will be midday GMT. So something Eastern time, I think around 7 o'clock in the morning. And do subscribe, if you haven't already done so, to both Illuminati Silver and Richard and Greg. And for those interested in what's going on in Trump world, Trump for President 2020. We've put links in the description box below to all of these. Not forgetting, please, to press the bell sign so that you are notified. You've no doubt heard a ping while I've been speaking. I'm constantly notified of various videos. Can be annoying, I accept that. But it's still very useful to be notified so that you do not miss any of these. Particularly now, while the world is in some turmoil and a lot is happening. And it would be a shame to miss it. So until tomorrow, Godspeed. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative. And if so, please give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. Please ensure that you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell sign so that you are notified of any future videos. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe either as a free or paying member for regular email updates and offers. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.